What's his name again?
Imo.
Imo. Yeah, Imo. Yeah, don't eat my finger, it's a watermelon. There you go. Does he just lick it? Or is it gonna...
You take a video?
Yeah. He keeps licking my finger and then realizing it's not watermelon. There we go.
Oh my god, Cooper, you're hilarious. Coopy's having fun, huh? Hi, Coop. You love it, huh? Give me another push. There you go. Oh god, you're scaring me. You want to get down? Okay.
Are you taunting her? What? Look at the tail. Hi. Hi. Oh, what a cutie, Monty. Oh, don't bite at me. Monty's tail really flapping now. I'm surprised Monty's not trying to move.
Waffles is just beating her up.
What's wrong? Hi. What a good girl you are.
Boah, sind die flink, ey. Oh! Ja, Mann, das hat einen riesen Satz gemacht und ist voll aus dem Fenster gesprungen.
Oh, weiß. Скажи, Эрик, скажи еще. О, губочки они. Губочки они, Олег. Покажи, открой руку, открой руку. Сейчас.
Наглая какая.
Не дам. Дочке надо, все.
Планет НАСА в Хьюстоне. Смотрите далее. Синоптиков постоянно ругают дожди. Проблема вовсе не в людях, а в метеозонах. Д-30 – это такой материал. Вот видите, стукнули по нему молотком. Палец остался в целости и сохранности. Если вы не видите это своими глазами, можно было бы подумать, что это что-то из области фантастики. Реанимировать. Цыгане не умели заниматься крестьянским трудом, да и работать от зари до зари некогда. Напоминаю сегодняшний вопрос, какого пола черноморский окунь, ну и в качестве подсказки скажу вопрос с подвохом.
What's up, y'all? This is Caboose. We got Night Owls 4 coming at you live and direct. I got my homeboys on the track, Man Child and Plato. Check it out, y'all. Come on, take your chances. double up for the snake eyes. Life's all about the chances. Some will swing low, some will take ya high, some will take ya high. Take your chances, double up for the snake eyes. Out to the face, cause I'm last in the race when it comes to catching and breaking. I'm sketching the pain that remains unnamed, trying to find peace in a world where there's not much to gain. I got a pocket full of change and I've yet to use it. A life full of light, but I kept it exclusive. Some wisdom and knowledge from these cuts and bruises. A taste of reality, I came to the conclusion. Who am I fooling? This life is awkward. To get in where you fit in with the right posture, I'm not sure, that's a lot to hold. When you're stuck in the rain saying I told you so, shoulders hung low with your face to the pavement, trying to find the courage and retract your statements. And be patient until it's my turn to keep living life and let my passion burn.